Yan isa.
We just put that.
Yeah, put it there. Ah, hindi pala. Kuha pala tayo ng ano, basket. Yan. Dito may lagay. Yan. 1. Ay, hala. Ang ganda ng watermelon, oh. Sale. Kano? $7.97. Hi, madam. Ano ba natin? Heavy cream. Ano pa yung sabi ko? Butter? Yeah. May tayo condensed milk. Magkano condensed milk? Ayan, $3.97. Dahil isa lang. What else? Come on. Bibili ba tayo ng ano, ice cream? You're gonna make ice cream? Okay. So, dito tayo sa... Ano, bibili pa ba ako ng ano, kasaba? Huwag na. Yeah. I know. Butter na lang, no? And yogurt. Ito, Christine, oh. Active yogurt. So, we need butter. Ito. Huh? Ayan. Ayan, butter. Ito, butter. Ay, may mura yata doon. Yung maliit lang. Masyado malaki yan. Mabigat. Ayun, may yogurt to. Ayun, Christine, bili tayo ng cheese. Yung pang ano. May cheese pa naman doon, di ba? Asan yung ano, ay, bibili mo yung butter, di ba? Wala dito? Ah, doon lang. Ah, ito. Ay, maliit lang. Ayun, oh. Ah, same thing. Same price. Ito, oh. Ano? Ah, ano. Kuha ka na. Saan ba? Yeah. Abot mo? Okay. Okay na? Okay. Yan, syempre. Okay, you need to follow the rule, the procedure. Okay, sige na, go. Scan mo na. Okay, get started. Can you scan the barcode? Oh, no. Error. Where's the barcode? There. Okay. There. Okay. Okay, go. Keep going. The barcode. Look at the barcode, huh? So, okay na? O then, pay. Yes, okay. First to pay. And then, okay, yes. No thanks. And then, not interested. Okay? And then, print only. Ayan. So, iscan mo muna itong aking discount card. Like this, pa ganyan. Swipe. Ayan, ganyan. Okay? That's a discount card. So, how much is this? Oh, see, $3 ang discount. And then, bayaran mo siya ng MasterCard. Pag ganyan, dito. Or tap. You can tap. Ayan. Tap, 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 tap. No, not that one. Like this. Ayan. Okay. So, now, ready for packing. So, approve. Okay. And wait for the receipt.